Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert picture on Microsoft Word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! To create a simple handout that only needs a view visual or maybe a basic flyer, Microsoft Word can be your go-to. However, putting an image into Microsoft Word exactly how you have it in your head can be difficult if you don't know exactly how. Getting the image and can be handled few ways depending on how you want it to look with your text. Once it's in place, you can even change the size and angle of the image. So first, you can open your Word. Now you can open up your Word, choose the document that you want to insert image. We'll add image to this document. Now you can tap on the insert. On the up left corner here, there is an option insert on the toolbar. You can tap on that. Now you can tap on pictures. There is a pictures option. Here's you can choose the image from online picture or this device. I will choose on this device. Now you can choose the image from the folder. You can choose on the image. First, you can just tap, click and hold. Or maybe you can just tap on insert, click on insert. So now the image will be added to your folder to your document on your Word. You can also edit the picture on here on the picture format. You can edit, maybe you want to add effects or maybe you want to add border or frame. You can edit, you can wrap text on the picture. Now after you finish at the picture, you can just save your document. So it's so simple, right? So that is how to add picture on Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.